So after exercising for an hour, now I'm at the supermarket to get the items I need to make this special sandwich. So come with me. Afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. Yes, I'm gonna fry 2 strips of this. I want it. I really want the bacon, but I don't take it on. So, I'm just gonna do 4. How much this? 2. What's going on? Is it tornado? Apparently. Look like a tornado. Yes, really sound it. You know how long I want to do this tuna, yeah? Tuna. Put some vinegar on it. I eat it raw. Them not do it properly, because raw. You want the vinegar and you want some vinegar in it. I'm going to use some apple cider. That's what I've been using, yeah. Apple cider vinegar. Just put a little tip on it. You want some black pepper. You want some onion. So I put in my black pepper. You want some mayonnaise. I mix it up. Everybody wants that. Why these damn things are hard? Yeah. Put this aside. Yeah. All right then. this is me, and I like that. I love it with the oil. I don't want not a water. That. Get some onion now. That's the onion. And maybe get a couple pieces more. Yes, so I don't know how people do these things and don't put onion. Hot pepper sauce. This is the Walker soda. Yes. Pepper sauce, yeah. You want to taste of pepper? Well, I want it to be tasty, to be a little bit hot. And sometimes I also put some garlic powder. Where is it? Garlic. I'll put a little garlic powder. Whoops, that's a bit too much. Yep. Then now I'm gonna have my lettuce and tomato ready. Sometimes these fresh. And look for all of the fandangos of me. Put in there. Next tailor. Maybe I'm gonna put a little bit of the white vinegar in it. Oops! That's good. Give me some more. Yeah. All right. So now I don't like this tuna. The first time I'm having this brand, so I don't think I like it. Anyway, I have that. What else? Oh, the lettuce. Well, we call it pear. Yes, that's how we call it. So we Jamaicans call it pear. Yeah, me have this and me gonna use it, you know. See it to fight me. It was in the fridge. Let me have one time. It was in the fridge. But I'm gonna use it. Can't make it with. I'm gonna need more. I'm gonna need more. I wanna hold on. Let's see how this, if this any better. Listen, this look like in a bad. No, in a bad knife. I make it, but my fridge for make it last. By the time I think you're bad, left you out the door. And this green, this green. Anyway, you have to make do with what you have now. Now this bread is supposed to be bread that I can eat. See that I am diabetic. Oh shit, I want bread. Yeah. Good source of sourdough, but it doesn't have any. Oh, it has 2% sugar and carbohydrate is just 5%. I'm gonna eat it with lettuce, so that is so good. This should have maybe I want it to look ripe, but oops. Beat me up, people. Hungry, hungry, hungry. Slice coming so that's just gonna be on its own on my own. So, time to consume. Right, going up down there. Bye-bye.